Hello friends, it's Tolga from Turkey. Today I'm starting to new journey with you. I decided to record my studies and Simulink things in here, and I decided to upload to YouTube because I saw it is too few videos in YouTube about these things, and I want to help the other peoples, and I decided to speak English, using English in these videos because it is the common language. So I'm gonna try using English, speaking English. Sorry for my English because of the I am new learner for English. Also, it will improve my English. Also, I'm living with 3 cats, and one of them is Fındık. So I'm starting my new series. It will be a series, and it will be in series, so you can follow it. I'm gonna start from beginning to end. It is first video about the importing the CAD models to Simulink. Now, I created the CAD model before to recording video. It is not important right now. You can create with SolidWorks. I'm using SolidWorks in my studies. You can use, I don't know, the other programs. Maybe you can use all things. Also, you can create in Matlab Simulink, but I think it is harder than the using these CAD programs. I've created this model in SolidWorks, and I'm gonna continue with that. Now, as you see, it is too simple thing, but it is enough for me. First of all, we have to link SolidWorks and Simulink each other. To make this connection, you have to download something from MathWorks. I prepared before the video here, but I'm gonna share it on comments. And I am using the 2020B version, and Windows. As you see, I'm using Windows platform, and I've downloaded before recording video. It is here, install add-on and Simulink, etc. Now it's time to start with Matlab. Open the Matlab, and then before everything you should change your workplace. It is my old study here. You should click here to change your workplace. This language is Turkish, so you can use in your language. So my workplace, my work folder is that. It means is select the folder, so click it. Now my workplace is ready. After changing your workplace, first you should write it down here, this code, install add-on, and this folder's name. I will be prepared before, I've tried before the video, so I wrote it down, install add-on, and click enter. It will take a bit time, don't worry, wait, it will write here ready. Wait till it will be ready. So I will pause the video till it will be ready. Now it's ready. It took a bit time, but it depends your PC, your computer's abilities. My computer a bit weak, so it took a bit time. And you should write it here, rig Matlab server. To be sure, I'm looking my past. Yeah, it's right. So, and click the enter. waiting again. It is busy, so I have to wait it to it's ready. Yes. Okay, I have do it before, and then so my computer remind me that you do it before, so don't do that again. Now it's ready to write it down. The other code is that you can use it and click the enter. It is saying that in Turkish, yeah, it is successful to do that. It's mean okay, and I'm saying okay, and it's okay. Now I'm going to SolidWorks and coming here, right here, and tools. Okay, when you click the tools, you will see like that. Okay, click here and click add-ins. Okay, add-ins, and you will see the Simscape multi-battle link. Okay, you should tick here and here and say it okay. Now check it out again, tools, and click here, and you will see the Simscape multi-body link. Simscape multi-body link, export, and Simscape multi-body, and it will open the direction things. Okay, choose your direction. I'm choosing my direction, desktop, and how to import, and I created before the video the folder Simulink, and I choose the Simulink. Yeah, okay, and cat to Simulink. I said that, and then click the it means save. After clicking that, it will create the step file and the XML file. Okay, and you will see something like that, like exactly like that, and it's parting your assembly. Yeah, it is ready, and our XML file is ready. Okay, I'm checking it. Yeah, how to import and Simulink. Yeah, there is. It was two it was two SolidWorks parts on my assembly, and it's import like as a step file, and one XML. Okay, now I'm going to Matlab. After a short break, I'm continue doing that again, and I also closed Matlab, old Matlab, so it is clear. Also, I'm saying that in Matlab you can clear your command window using the code CLC. And now I'm continuing our project. To do that, before everything, we should change our workplace, and as I told you before, do it click it here to do that, browse for folder, and it's my desktop, and our project is how to import, and is in Simulink. Okay, it is means choose the folder. Now it's ready. Okay, I've done it before, no, it is my old. Okay, I've stopped the video and I've checked my notes, and I found the code. Code is that SM import and your folder's name with .xml is the same with it, and write it down there, command window, and click enter. You will see that the importing model and wiring models, and now we are in. Yeah, our model is ready. Our model is in the Simulink environment, right? That it is the type of Simulink It has blank model like that. So I'm gonna explain everything's function. There is something like that transform, and it is my folder's name, Revolut joint. I'm gonna explain everything, but in this video our aim was the importing SolidWorks to Matlab, Simulink. So our aim is done. Okay, run it our model, and we can see how it looks like that. Yeah, now it's in the environment of Simulink. As you see, it is this space, and it is empty, its environment. We will do everything with that. We will create a world, we will put in the table and the next steps, and we will give it the colors maybe. So we will do together. If you want to do something more, please write it comment, but for this video it's enough, I think. We will continue with part 2. Thank you for listening, guys. Goodbye.